Oh, hi. Let's make a lazy chicken sandwich. Salute. As always, we prep apple, cabbage. You'll find out later. Throw it in the bowl. The salt, pepper, a little bit of vin. I'm not saying the rest. Like that much. Tong her up. Congrats, you have slaw. Meat's washed, I got dishes. Butterfly your chicken. It's got eggs. Pro tip, season your eggs. Salt, pepper, paprika, chipotle, violet, whisk, yeah, peanut oil. Make your dredge. Do it how you wanna. Get it to 350. Chick dry, wet, dry. Let your egg drip. Dry, wet. Let it drip. Be patient. Dry. Into oil away from you. Ta-da! Don't overcrowd. Go until it's real golden. Follow or something. Salute. Golden onto a paper towel. If you want it extra crispy, dip it again. Mayo. I cheated on sauce. Go buy some Madison Street sauce. Tiffin own. Hometown. I'm a top and bottom type of boy. You can order this.
The slaw needs lemon.
I have no lemon. Lemon juice. No.
Mucho better.
Result. Salute. Edible. Since TikTok flags me, 100% apple juice.